Hi children, now let's continue with the same in part 14. Now here in this session we are going to discuss many story problems, word problems. Are you ready children? Okay, here it is. What should be added to twice the rational number minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7? I have highlighted keywords like added twice. Okay, I am going to add something. To add, we need two elements to be added, isn't it? In between plus symbol we need two numbers. What are the two things that I'm going to add is twice the rational number added to twice the rational number minus 7 by 3. I'm going to twice this rational number and add with some other number. I don't know what is that number. That's what I have to find. What should be added? So that what number is nothing but x. Is it clear? So x plus, see I can have it like this. Here this what in the sense x. I don't know what is that what. Plus twice 2. What is the rational number? Minus 7 by 3. So my equation is going to be x plus 2 into minus 7 by 3 is equal to 3 by 7. That very big statement has been transformed to a very simple thing like 2 into minus 7 by 3 is equal to 3 by 7. If it is some whole numbers, you will find it easy to simplify it. But when we come across these fractions now, be careful little bit. Here 2 into 7 is 14, minus 14, plus into minus becomes minus. So x minus 14 by 3 is equal to 3 by 7. If I transpose this fully now this sign, minus sign will go to this side as plus sign. Here this minus is for this 14 by 3. So when it get transposed, it becomes plus 14 by 3. Here we have to do cross multiplication that we learnt in fractions and decimal chapter. So 3 3s are 9, 14 7s are 98 by 21. 7 3s are 21. This is the cross multiplication method when we have plus and minus sign alone here, not in multiplication. Is it clear? Be careful again with this sign. So 107 by 21 is the value of x. Now the next question here is, this is something different which is not in your text. Okay, 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. We are just saying there are 3 consecutive integers and if you add it up, you will get 51. If I try with 13, what is the next consecutive number? 14 and 15. If add and see this, what will I get? 9, 10, 11, 12, carry 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 42 only. But I need 51. Will you keep on trying like this till you get 51? How many times I should keep on trying? To make it simple, we have simple equations. 3 consecutives. So you will go for first number as x. What will be the next number? Surely it will be 1 plus that x. So it will be x plus 1. See here, if I take 13 to this first number, next number is 13 plus 1, isn't it? So next number, what will be the next number? What is 13 to 15 plus 2? So we will have the third consecutive number as x plus 2. So these are the 3 consecutive numbers that I am going to add to get what? 51. So our equation is very simple now. See here, 3 consecutive integers are x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. That's what I have written there. This let statement is compulsory when you do it in 3 mark and 4 mark. Okay, even in 2 marks. So if I add this now, x plus x, how many x do I have? 3x. What are the numbers to be added? 1 and 2. If I add these two, I get plus 3. So what is the first thing that I have to transpose? This. So you will get 51 minus 3. What is 51 minus 3? 48. Again, this 3 has to be transposed to this side and it comes in division. And if I cancel, I will get 16. 1 3 is 3. Carry 1. 6 3s are 18. So I get the value of x to be 16. And it is not the final answer. I have to find 3 integers. 3 consecutive integers. See here, this is x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. What is x? 16. What is x plus 1? 16 plus 1. X plus 2? 16 plus 2. So I get the integers are 16, 17 and 18. we have another method also to do this problem, but you will not it will not strike your mind immediately. That is that cursor. Okay. You can take that integers to be x minus 1, x and x plus 1. These three are also consecutive integers only. See here, and if this is 13, no, this will become 12 and this become 14. The 12, 13, 14. Even like this you can take it. See, if I take like this also, I will get the same answer. Plus plus, which is equal to 51. See here, it will make our simplification very simple. Minus 1 plus 1 will become 0. So how many x we have? 3x. What is 3x? 3x is equal to 51. Where will this 3 transfer? It goes to division. 51 divided by 3. If I cancel it, what will I get? 1 3 is 3. 1 3 is 3. Then you will have the remainder to be 2. Here 1 3 is 3. Remainder 2. 7 3s are 21. So what will be my x value? 17. See here, when you get 17, it represents the center number 17. So what will be the previous number? 16. What will be the next number? 18. I get the same answer when I tried with this method. See, here we started with x plus 1, x plus 2. Whereas here we started with x minus 1, x and x plus 1. In both the methods, you will get the same answer. Is it clear, my dear children? You can opt for any method. But what strikes your mind easily is this first method. This method you will take some time to have it in your mind. If you are smart enough, you can use this method also. Next question is, the present age of Shalih's mother is, present age is 3 times the present age of Shalih. If Shalih is 5 years, what is his mother's age? 3 times. 3 5s are 15, and it is not possible. So this age is not correct answer. I just explained you what is present age. After 5 years, their ages will add up to 66. After 5 years, if I add both of their ages, and it will be 66. Whenever you come across problems involved age, in particular present age and after 5 years or before 5 years, if you come across such problems in two different situations, go in for tabulation method, which will be very simple and easier to understand. Whatever is there in the statement form, I am putting it in a table form. Here they said the present age of the Shalih as x. We don't know. So I kept it as x. And Shalih's mother age will be 3 times. Isn't it? So after 5 years, what will be the age of Shalih? So it is x plus 5. If age now is 3 years, after 5 years, what will be that baby's age? 3 plus 5 only, no? So we added plus 5 in both the ages. Will the mother's age will add up only 4? No, if after 5 years, if his age increases by 5, mother's age also increases by 5. Is it clear? So, after 5 years, if I add their ages, if I add these two ages, I will get 66. That is what the question. If you put the whole question in tabulation method, it will be easy. Whatever may be the question, whenever you come across word problems, try to put it in your diagrammatic manner. In whichever diagram you can put it. The best way in maths is tabulation. But if you like drawing flowers and doing it, well and good. But you should have a clear-cut idea in your mind. What is asked and what is given in the question. Here the equation is x plus 5. This is Shalih age after 5 years. And this is Shalih mother's age after 5 years. Then if I add x and 3x, I get 4x. Then 5 plus 5, I get 10. This is equal to 66. Only thing is you have to combine all x and numbers separately. Don't add this 5 and 3 and write 8x. Okay, it's a very big blunder. This is a numerical value and this is along with x. This 3 means that this x is occurring 3 times. You should not combine this elephant with rose. Don't do such error. Okay. 4x is equal to 66 plus 10 will get transposed to minus 10 and you will get 56. And these are all very simple, same procedure, and you will get x is equal to 14. So Shalini age is 14. This is present age. We started adding up their age after 5 years. But I got the answer for present age because x is present age only. Okay. And mother's age will be 3 times Shalini's age. So if I multiply 14 into 3, what will I get? You will get 42. So 42 is his mother's age. Is it clear, my dear children? And here is one more question. Little bit tricky. But don't worry, I will make it clear for you. Deveshi has a total. She has a total of how much rupees? 590 rupees. As currency notes in the denomination of rupees 50, rupees 10, 20 and rupees 10. The ratio of the number of rupees 50 and rupees 20 is 3:5. If she has a total of 25 notes, how many notes of each denomination she has? She has 50 rupees, 20 rupees and 10 rupees. She has only 3 different types of notes in her packet or in her purse. Total amount is 590. Let us talk about that amount later. Okay, they have said that the ratio of this 50 and 20 is 3:5. If we given it in ratio, what should I do to find the total number? We will have a common factor and I will have 3x and 5x. Do you remember that? Yes. So, totally she had 25 notes only. In packet, if I start counting now one by one, not adding the values, I am just seeing how many notes she has. She had 25 notes. Among that, she had 3x and 5x or her 50 rupee note and 20 rupee note. So, if I subtract these two from 25, I will get 10. How many 10 rupee notes are there? Is it clear? Again, I am putting it in tabular format, which makes it very clear for us. See here, she had 3x, 5x 20 rupee notes and 10 rupee note she had 25 minus 3x plus 5x. These two represents these two notes. Okay, if she add it up and subtract from 25, she will get how many 10 rupee notes she had. And to find the value, if she had 3 50 rupee note, it is 3 into 50 rupees. If she had 10 or if she had 9 50 rupee notes, 9 into 50. The star I made it for multiplication, my dear children. Because x and multiplication looked the same, so I changed the symbol as asterisk, but this differs multiplication. 20 into 5x, 10 into 20 minus x. If she add up all these 3 things, she has the total amount of 590. So our equation is very simple. See, 5 3s are 15. If I multiply these two, I will get 150x. Here we will get 2 5s are 10, 100x. Is it clear? Here I have to multiply with this 250 and 2 into this. You have to multiply 2 times. So you will have 250 minus 80x. How many x terms are there? These and this. Add these two, you will get 250. 250 minus 80, 170. And you will have this 250 alone separately. That you have written here. Is it clear? Now 170, this 250 get transposed and this 170 will get transposed and you will get x is equal to 2. And this is how we have to stop. We should not stop here. We have to find how many notes she had. She had 3x 50 rupees note. So 3 2s are 6 notes. How many 20 rupees note she had? 5x. So 5 into 2, 10. Then how many 10 rupee notes she had? 25 minus 8x. 25 minus 8x is 2. So we get 9 notes. So this is how you have to find the answer. Is it clear, my dear children? This is you will come across this simple equations in your daily life. You can make your own stories and you can make your equations for that particular story and come up with a solution. Okay, whenever your mother is asking, try to make it a story to bring a equation problem. And today you will revise the whole chapter thoroughly. Okay, children. Thank you. Take care. Stay safe and stay healthy.